Hi everybody, this is Wayne. I've just signed into office.com and here we have all of my apps I can use. Now we're going to create a Word document, so just select Word and then select New Blank Document. Okay, so here I am in my new document. Now I'm just going to get you to type the following text. So here's the text that I want you to type. The next thing I want you to do is to start formatting after you've typed all the text. So I'll highlight this heading. Okay, so once you've highlighted it, then we're going to use this font. So it's this one here. Don't know how quite to say it. It's TH Sarabun PSK. Okay, it's quite small. We're going to make it 48. And we're going to make it green text. And bold it. Okay, so the text looks like that. The next thing we're going to do is add an image. So when you insert an image, just place your cursor around about where you want the image to be. Not that it will put it in there anyway, but we can have a look. And the image that we want to insert, so we go to the Insert tab, and go to Picture, drop down that arrow, and we'll use Bing, the internet service. And we'll look for a picture of a green frog. And once you've typed it in, just press enter. Okay, so the one that we want, I think I'll just pick that one for now. Or yes, probably that one. And select it and then go insert. Okay, so we've inserted that image. Now to resize the image, just these little dots around the border, they're your resizing markers, and I'm going to use this one to resize the image, and I'm just going to move my cursor onto that, and you see you get that double-headed arrow there. So once you get that, you click, hold it down and drag, so we'll make it about that big. Now you might have noticed that the Picture tab has come up, so immediately when we select the picture, and I'll just deselect it and watch what happens to the Picture tab, it disappears. So when I reselect the Picture tab, it comes back up. So I go to the Picture tab, and that's all of our formatting options with respect to this picture. Now I want this picture to go over on the right and for the text to wrap around the picture. So I'll go to my option in the Picture tab called Wrap Text, and then I will make it square right. Okay, so that's sort of where we want to be. So just notice that the words, if I make the picture a little bit bigger, the words will auto adjust. So if I select the picture, I'll use this resizing marker this time, and I'll make it a little bit bigger, and you see the words have automatically readjusted around the picture to fit it in. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select all of this text, and I'm going to change the font. Well, it's already the right font, is Calibri. And Then we're going to change the font size to 18. So I go up to the font size and I go to 18. And the other thing that you will notice from the example that I provided was that the text here, it's left aligned. We want to center align all the text. So whilst we still have it highlighted, we move, it's in our home tab, we move to our text alignment button here, click to give us the options, and we'll use center align. The next thing to do is to make the text green. So we'll just click the text color here and make it green. Now, the only different one is this heading here, which needs to be black and it needs to be size 22 and bold. So we'll go, now 22 is not in our options, so we can simply type it in and press enter. And we'll make it bold and we'll make it black. Okay, so don't forget to type your name, date and the course code down the bottom. I can also use this little shortcut toolbar that comes up as well, so I can probably make the text a little bit bigger to match the other text, which is 18. And the next thing to do would be to insert your signature. So that's just like inserting a picture, but you're taking it from your device or your computer. So I'll place the cursor here, I'll go insert, go to picture, and then this device instead of Bing. So this device, because you want to search for the picture in your computer. So click on choose file, okay, and then select your signature and then insert. Now, as you can see, it's gone through to the next page, so I'll probably just make my signature a little bit smaller, like that. Okay, so here's our flyer for the Wyndham Green Film Festival completed. One thing I didn't show you was to change the name, how to change the name of your document before you share it. I should have done that at the beginning. So you click up here where it says the name of the document, type in your name, today's date, and Green Film Festival. Now you might have noticed that I just changed how I put the date. Don't have any punctuation marks in your date, so I've just put it as the day with no punctuation marks like forward slashes in your date. So once you've done that, just press enter to make it stick. As you can see, the name of the document has changed. Now the next step is to share it with me, your teacher. So you just click up here to the right on share. Taking its time. And I won't show you that exactly, the share, but what you can do is you click on share, you put in my email address, so that's at the bottom of every one of the website pages. It's wayneb@wyndhamcc.org.au. and then share it with me. Thanks for listening.